let's spend a little more time talking about the specific types of exams. VACIS exam, as I mentioned earlier, is the first level of exam. It's non-intrusive. NII stands for non-intrusive exam. It's done via X-ray. Kim's got a great picture there of a container at the port going through one of those machines for X-ray. That happens automatically at the port. Something gets flagged, it goes through, it gets done. It's the shortest amount of time, it's the cheapest. It can take 2 to 4 days depending on the port. As Deb referenced, it depends on what port you're at, how busy they are, what time of year it is. If you've got a big swell of containers because we just got off of, China National Golden Week and we've got, 60% more containers than normal, this exam and any other exam is going to take more days because they are just that backlogged.
It won't stop them from triggering the exam. It'll just put it in line.
Yep. And once that exam is triggered, you're not getting it off. They have to complete their process before they're going to remove that hold. Don't believe I've ever, not that I really would, but I don't think I've ever heard somebody try and convince a customs officer not to examine a container because it's urgent or because they promised they did everything right. Once that exam is flagged, it's going to happen. The fees generally range from $250 to $500, depending on the port. I can't say that the size of the container really matters because they're just rolling it through that machine. So the biggest factor that's going to affect your cost there is just the fees.
Yeah, the port.
Yeah.